In a world where freedom calls and the road ahead has no boundaries, there comes a vehicle that is not just a camper van, but a revolution in travel. Introducing the all-new 6x6 full white camper van, where unstoppable power meets refined luxury and limitless adventure. At first glance, the brilliant full white body captures attention with its striking purity and bold design. The massive 6x6 drivetrain provides unparalleled stability, control, and traction, making every journey effortless. Step inside and be amazed by the luxurious yet functional interior. The 6x6 full white camper van is not just about style, it's about comfort and convenience. With the latest technology at your fingertips, safety is never compromised. Advanced driver assistance systems and a reinforced body structure provide peace of mind. The 6x6 full white camper van is more than just a vehicle. It's a statement, a symbol of freedom, adventure, and refined taste. It's time to experience travel like never before. Are you ready to join the revolution?